In the realm of cybersecurity, log management is the process of generating, collecting, centralizing, parsing, transmitting, storing, archiving, and disposing of the logs generated by computer systems, networks, and applications. Logs are essentially records of events happening within your software and hardware. Effective log management is crucial for security monitoring, compliance, auditing, debugging, and performance monitoring. Importance of log management: security incident detection. Logs provide a detailed chronological record of events. Analyzing these logs helps in identifying suspicious activities that could indicate a security breach or an ongoing attack. Compliance: many regulatory frameworks require organizations to maintain and review logs regularly to ensure the integrity and confidentiality of information. Operational efficiency: logs help in diagnosing problems within systems, thereby aiding in swift resolution and minimizing downtime. Forensic analysis: in the event of a security incident, logs serve as vital evidence, providing insights into the actions taken by attackers. Core principles of log management: comprehensive collection. Ensure all systems, devices, and applications within the IT environment are configured to generate and forward logs to a centralized log management solution. Secure storage. Logs contain sensitive information. It's essential to store them securely, protecting against unauthorized access and tampering. Effective analysis. Implement tools and techniques for real-time analysis and monitoring of logs to detect anomalies and potential security incidents. Retention and archiving. Define policies for how long logs should be retained based on regulatory requirements and operational needs. Ensure archived logs are accessible for future reference or audits. Disposal. Establish secure methods for disposing of logs that are no longer needed, ensuring sensitive information is irrecoverably destroyed. Best practices in log management: use centralized log management. Centralizing logs from all sources into a single system simplifies management and analysis. Implement role-based access control. Limit access to logs based on the principle of least privilege to prevent unauthorized access. Automate log analysis. Use automated tools to monitor and analyze logs in real time, enabling swift detection of anomalies. Regularly review logs. In addition to automated analysis, periodically perform manual reviews to identify issues that automated systems might miss. Ensure compliance. Regularly audit log management practices to ensure compliance with applicable laws, regulations, and standards. Challenges in log management: volume of data. The sheer volume of logs generated can be overwhelming, making management and analysis challenging. Complexity of analysis. Logs from different sources can vary significantly, requiring sophisticated tools to analyze effectively. Storage and retention. Balancing the need for immediate access to recent logs with the requirements for long-term archival can be difficult. Security of logs. Protecting logs from unauthorized access and tampering is crucial, as they contain sensitive information. Conclusion: effective log management is a cornerstone of robust cybersecurity practices. By adhering to the principles of comprehensive collection, secure storage, effective analysis, and proper retention and disposal, organizations can significantly enhance their security posture. Implementing best practices and overcoming the challenges of log management requires a strategic approach, combining the right tools, processes, and policies. As cyber threats evolve, the role of log management in detecting, responding to, and preventing security incidents becomes increasingly vital.